Gedenkt einfach jede Sekunde.
I think it's really good because it's for people. It's to help them who are fighting off cancer. It's to show that we support them. So these pants are basically everybody in my family who has fought off cancer or has died of cancer.
Excited for the day. You know, it should be fun. Everyone coming together about it for a good experience.
And we're here to raise support and awareness to battle cancer. Treatment, support those who are looking after somebody who's struggling with cancer. We're also here to support those people who have beaten cancer, and that's the goal of ISB24. Say a big ISB hello to the representatives from DIRAMS. If they could just step forward so they can see you. Big wave and a big applause, and it's really nice to see them here. It is your hospital that we support and will continue to do so. So thank you for coming, I appreciate it.